Uyoncengo Unyongo hit song gets big thumbs up to Taba Jabulani Langa Daddy Son uMafikizolo umfana insizwa le eMnambithi ifike ngempela insizwa kunodaba laphana lokuyi-Daddy Son oluthi uMafikizolo hit Uyoncengo tops the charts as leading musician endorse it for Ukhozi FM Song of the Year. Ifunda kanje Linda. Previous Ukhozi FM Song of the Year winners have endorsed uMafikizolo's latest hit as this year's winner. Top musicians Ntencane Khuzani Mpongose and Mthandeni SK, who all have recently won the highly contested Ingoma Ehlukanisa Unyaka competition, say uMafikizolo's new song is clear favorite for 2025. uMafikizolo's track Uyoncengo Unyongo is dominating the airwaves, leading the charts on iTunes and Spotify, and trending on social media with its rival dance challenges. It has already surpassed 4 million streams on YouTube. Actually, it's more than 7.6 million streams, right? The Ingoma Ehlukanisa Unyaka winner is traditionally played during the New Year crossover, ushering more than 7 million Ukhozi FM listeners into the year ahead. Any musician with a hit song can enter, but ultimately it's up to the listeners. Fans nominate the top 10 and vote for the one that will usher them into the new year. This year, it is unusual to see leading artists openly support a song currently popular on many playlists as the one to ring in 2026. Usho kanjalo laphana inike i-Daily Sun. Yasiyaqhubeka le ndaba ifunda kanje ithi-ke Mthandeni SK Manqele, winner of Ingoma Ehlukanisa Unyaka 24-25 with Gucci featuring Mahu, said uMafikizolo's song is a sure winner. This Uyoncengo Unyongo song is a good song and singer uMafikizolo is good. If you are a jealous musician, you will not admit that he is a good singer. But our bosses, the music lovers, love his music. When Ukhozi FM announces the nomination of the Ingoma Ehlukanisa Unyaka are open, please nominate and vote for the song. I won the title last year and it's time for others. I can't always be about me because I'm not jealous. I love that youngsters win this competition as it makes a difference, he says. Maskandi Star Ntencane is putting his money on Uyoncengo Unyongo. Musician Ntencane Zondi, who won Ingoma Ehlukanisa Unyaka in 2000 this is a wrong date. It was actually 2018 to 2019 with the hit song titled Wawuthembeni, said uMafikizolo is a definite winner. What is good now is we already have a song to take us to another year, and that song is Uyoncengo Unyongo. There will be no need to respond to those who will complain, and as we will say Uyoncengo Unyongo to them, he said. Maskandi Star Khuzani Mpongose declares uMafikizolo Uyoncengo Unyongo as the Song of the Year winner. Top musician Khuzani Mpongose, who has twice won Ingoma Ehlukanisa Unyaka with his hit songs Ijele and Umjolo, said uMafikizolo has already paved the way for them until 2026. He also congratulated uMafikizolo for dominating iTunes. uMafikizolo, whose real name is Ketukuthula Mhlongo, 24 years of age, from Umnambit, says he's grateful for the support he received from the top musicians who are also his role models. Yeah, isho njalo-ke indaba laphana i-Daily Sun ibifundeka kanjalo-ke udaba nizothola laphana ku-Facebook. Angazi noma lizophuma yini kwi-newspaper yakhona i-hard copy, kodwa-ke lukhona phana ku-Facebook. Ungasesha Daily Sun ibhalile Uyoncengo Unyongo hit song gets big thumbs up. Bayiphakamisa konke encane oMthandeni oKhuzani nabanye abaculi abaningi asebekuvezile abangabalwanga la, ningakukhohlwa lokho. Isikhathi sakhe kuMafikizolo singamdlelo umona, ongakaboni asazi uyobona nini. Inhle ingoma yalensizwa ihamba hle kakhulu, iphula wonke ama-record, iyohlanganisa u-8 million wama-views laphana ku-YouTube. If akawahlanganisi kube sekusele kancane. iyofika ku-10 million ngesikhathi esingakanani. Angazi ukuthi ifika kuyi-31 December kuyohlonishwa unyaka songena kuyi-1 January kuyobe kunjani, kuyobe kuphithizela. Bekuyilokho nje, ngiyabonga ithuba, nisale kahle.